Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Akshi and here's what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Clinical trial shows drug reduces risk of graft versus host diseases in stem cell transplants. Adding a new drug to standard care for stem cell transplant recipients may reduce a life-threatening side effect, according to an early-stage clinical trial conducted by Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis. The trial showed that patients being treated for various blood cancers tolerated the investigational drug called entisinib and experienced a lower than expected rates of graft versus host diseases in which the donor stem cells attack the patient's healthy tissues. The study is online in the journal Blood. The phase 1 trial involved patients who received a particular stem cell called a half match, in which half of the key proteins of the patient's immune system matched those of the donor stem cells. The trial included 42 patients, most of whom had been diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia, acute lymphoblastic leukemia or myelodysplastic syndrome, among others rare blood cancers. All patients in the study received entisinib before transplantations and for 4 to 6 months after transplant, in addition to standard care for prevention of graft versus host diseases. None of the 42 patients developed severe graft versus host diseases in the first 180 days after the transplant. There was no control group in the study, which was designed to assess the safety but not the efficacy of the treatment. Even so, historical data suggests 10 to 15% of the patients would experience severe graft versus host disease with standard treatment, according to the investigators. Therefore, statistically 4 to 6 patients in the sample size would be expected to develop severe forms of the disease. After 1 year, 89% of the patients had no chronic graft versus host disease. 2 patients developed moderate or severe chronic graft versus host disease at the same time point, and they were treated with additional therapies. Overall survival at 1 year was 80%. This is on the high end of what is typically seen in such patients, whose survival can range from 60 to 80% at 1 year. The investigation drug entisinib is one of the several JAK inhibitors under investigation for their potential to prevent graft versus host disease when given before a stem cell transplant, which would be a new use for this therapy. JAK inhibitors work by blocking the activity of specific enzymes that contributes to inflammation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.